subscribe.
Hey Bling Queen, we smile, love on one another, and bling. Mentioned to you ladies, we'll start to post way more content. I received this order last month and I decided for myself creating it so I can help someone out there that's been wanting to make their own junk cases. What you're going to do is go to my Amazon storefront. I believe this is under my business one or the things that you bling. You're going to find this kit and you're going to order this starter kit. I've been like watching everyone else make junk cases and you want to make your own junk cases. This is the perfect tools. It has the UV lamp, it has the resin, everything you need. This is not a big lamp, so this is perfect for those small places or if you don't have that much space, because if you're a business owner like me, I don't have that much space. I work from home. My space is the corner of the living room, really where a dining table should be. Like, I don't have that much space, so near my desk, I needed something small and something I can just put away real easy. It has the 3 buttons to show you like how long you would like it to cure. Plug that bad boy in your computer or an outlet and it's good to go. And then they give you 2 bottles of these, so I thought that was clutch because I'm actually still on my first bottle. You have to be careful when using this type of product and materials because resin is no joke. It's very strong. Make sure you wear proper eyewear, proper gloves, all that. The thing that's really important is the charms. The charms is all about you and what you want to create with. The charms are from Amazon. Others are from other vendors. If you are interested in any other charms, like the custom ones, do have a listing on my website. Kind of like a pick my brain type of vibe. One session is on Zoom. I decided to add that on my website because when you have been a business owner as long as I have, you have gone through so much, and dating someone to keep going or telling someone my story deeper than where I get my items from, the charms from, how I do it. Sometimes it's all about the mental game with owning your own business. But I do have my own vendor where I get the custom pieces, the pictures, the nameplates, the more detailed, personalized. And then once you figure out what charms you want on your case or in your iPad, whatever you're creating, that's where all the fun comes in at. So right now I'm just showing you, because I get a lot of questions or do what I create, or they stickers, to show the details of these pieces because some of these pieces are cut, laser cut, uniquely made for that order. I already know my favorite best friend, the drill, is located on my Amazon storefront, and using these types of drills for the last couple of years. I use them for the Crocs, I use them for the phone cases, the iPad cases, you name it. And as I mentioned, that is a crucial part whenever you are blinging because you need to know the foundation of it. So when you are using the resin, I know some people use like popsicle sticks, some people use their gloves, their fingers. I like to actually use a paintbrush. And hear me out with the paintbrush. You see how it's so easily, I just like smoothing it out. Then I have found some glitter at Dollar Tree. I decided to like add a little glitter on it to give it a different look. I really don't like glitter or mess with glitter all like that because I have kids and the glitter gets everywhere. The places you will find glitter at, just know it should be a crime. I'm testing the waters. I just want to do something different. Everyone looks the same, is acting the same, making the same thing with the same charms. The thing about me, I like to just be different from everyone else. I like to explore. I like to create. I like to literally be, it's just something unique comes to what I create with the phone cases and accessories. It's just something that you cannot buy in stores, and that's what I love. Back into the junk case, I am just placing these pieces. This is where you have fun. There's no rules of where to put things. A collage, it gives me Pinterest vibes. It gives me vision board vibes. The part I enjoy. This is the part where all but what's going on in the world, it's at that moment, this peace, it's just calm, it's just excitement. Back my inner child, and that's what I love about creating. If you're someone that's new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for just sitting here for the ride, for this journey, especially for this YouTube journey, because this is new for me. And no matter how long I've been creating these items on a different platform and to share my talent and what I love to do, it just hit different. So what I'm doing right now is just drilling some of the pieces so it can have that rough type of edge to it, so make sure it sticks and don't move or don't just fall off. If you have any other questions I didn't cover or any extra explanations, please let me know in the comments. So I would love to know what themes you guys are interested in. Color, do you want to see more Crocs? Do you want to see more junk cases? Do you know the difference between a junk case and a bling case? There are two different spectrums of phone cases and creating them. Talk about the difference between the rhinestones. These rhinestones are more like a crystal rhinestone. Where to get the rhinestones at? Knowing where not to go get the rhinestones at. I mean, there's so many questions. So you ladies subscribe. Make sure you let me know what you need help with. Why I made this channel. I mentioned there will be things that will be under Pick My Brain. Reminder, the Pick My Brain is a listing on my website. Best to believe I've been there. Through the ups and downs with business. There's going to be days where you're not always going to receive an order. There might be even weeks. So sorry, but you are extremely strong if you are even holding on till months. Want to show people that you can do it too. I'm over here doing it with no village. I'm over here doing it with no car. Up and moved to a different state. Started life all over again. In the day, life still happens. Say life be lifing. Really wanted to start making videos of not just me creating these phone cases and the junk cases and everything that I'm showing you. People to understand the story behind this. Create something. There is a story of hope, on trusting God, not giving up. No matter what you're doing in life, is I don't know what's in store for me. I don't know if I'm going to win. I don't know if I'm going to make it. I just feel it in my gut. The thing with our hopes, our dreams, our goals for everyone else. A lot of times people are not going to understand it. And this is why you don't give up. This is your dreams for a reason. People be asking me, Mara, you need to show us how to make a case. You make a pair of Crocs. I've been doing that for the people to catch on. I'm going to make a side note. Shout out to the people that caught on so far. The truth is in the pudding. It's always been about what I say because what I speak, it comes from the soul. I have no script over here. A bunch of notes over here. It from line to line. Words that are coming out my mouth right now is for someone. So many hundreds of people doing the same thing as me. Thousands. Out here showing you how to create a case and sprinkling some motivational in it. Like I said, and I'm going to say it again. It is so easy to take. Hey, this is where you get this from. Hey, this is where you get that from. But baby, you got to put in the work. It's 2024, 4 months left of this year. You got to make it work for you. So no, it's not about where you can get this and where you can get that from. It's in your hand right now, right in front of your face. You can Google that. The goal is to teach people to keep going in the midst of a storm because we're all circling around a storm. Whether you're currently in a storm right now, came out of one, or soon to be in one. And that's the thing about life. Life has so many ups and downs. You have to create your own happiness. You have to believe in yourself. You have to put in the work. Life is hard, I know. But it's time to choose your heart. If it's going to be hard anyway, choose the right one. Comment a number 1 in 100. I'm doing something special.